Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare chicken Lajawab. For this, the ingredients that we require are I have taken 250 grams of chicken with bones. This tastes good with chicken with bones. Here I have grated one medium size onion. You have to grate it. Salt as per our taste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll be using half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Here I have taken, this is vinegar, white vinegar that I'll be using. This is half a teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'll be frying it in the oil. So the first step that we are going to do is I will add all these ingredients to the chicken. It is the onion, ginger garlic paste. I have washed the chicken nicely. Kashmiri red chili powder. This is vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, friends, you can use lemon also. Garam masala powder. At this moment, we are not adding salt to this recipe, friends. So now, and also we will not add the corn flour. We'll mix it nicely. After mixing everything nicely, friends, we will cover this and put this in the refrigerator for near about 2 hours. After freezing this for 2 hours, friends, we will add the corn flour now. But before adding the corn flour, we will add the salt at this stage. So add salt as per your taste. We have not added the salt earlier because if we add salt before, it will start leaving water. So the chicken will become very watery. So add the salt now as per your taste. Mix it nicely. Yes. And then now at this stage, we'll add the corn flour. Add the corn flour and mix it nicely. After mixing it nicely, friends, we will heat oil in the kadhai. For frying, friends, we will heat oil. We are going to deep fry these pakoras. So now, when our oil is heated, we will take the chicken pieces and we will drop it into the oil. Please reduce the flame while dropping this into the oil. Now I will put the flame into medium and I will fry this chicken lajawab. After frying it for 3 minutes, I am going to turn the chicken pieces. And now I'll cook this again for 3 minutes over medium flame. After frying it for 3 minutes on both the sides, I'm going to increase the flame and fry this for another 2 minutes. Now turn the chicken the other side and fry for another 2 minutes over high flame. So friends, here is our chicken lajawab perfectly fried. We will transfer it to the serving plate. Here is our chicken lajawab ready. Garnish it with some green chilies and coriander leaves. It will be nice and crispy. You can marinate the chicken and keep it, friends, for any get together at home, for parties. Children will love this recipe and it's quite easy to make. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.